Hi, my name is Blanca, and this is my final summary for my daycare, Little Angels. We are an in-home daycare that creates a safe and loving environment for your children where they feel right at home, even on weekends. Our value propositions include providing childcare for children of the ages of 1 through 4 at an affordable price. We provide nutritional food, we're bilingual, and we are hands-on and do educational activities appropriate for each age. We also help alleviate the stress of caring for your children when you have to work, even on weekends. My ideal customers are working single mothers and fathers that have to work weekends to make ends meet, as well as married working couples. My competitive matrix compares my values to the other in-home daycares around me. My strongest value is location, followed by price and availability. Little Angels is competing in a very competitive and demanding market. Since there are quite a few in-home daycares around me, it will be challenging to compete against them. My competitive advantage would be price and location. We offer the same services, but offering meals and being available on weekends too will be an advantage for us. My marketing mix includes social media, traditional stores, and events. Little Angels will reach their target market by going to where there are kids. Word of mouth is the most important reference for us. Networking in all of these settings will also be important for us, and being involved in the community can help us reach our goal and reach more potential clients. This is my budget for a year on marketing. The total for the year would be $19,800. Little Angels plans to spend about $20,000 in marketing. Most of the money would be spent on flyers and brochures because that is an effective way to market yourself with a person in these types of settings like malls or events. This will help us build a network and eventually have word of mouth references to help our business be successful. Little Angels is entering a very demanding market with lots of potential clients. Being open on weekends and providing meals will be a great value to our potential clients. From our marketing mix, passing out flyers and brochures will be important to get word of mouth out. Price being on the lower end and having a convenient location will attract more customers. We predict having at least 10 children in our daycare by the end of the second year after opening. Thank you.